Hi, this is Vijay Bambani, and I'm going to talk to you something very unconventional today. I'm sharing my secret sauce of currency trading with you. This is something that I learned over the last couple of decades that I have been trading in the markets, and I've been trading currencies since the time they were launched in the exchange traded platform in India. Currencies are basically extremely sensitive to inflation. And I'm talking of real effective inflation, not the headline number. When I used to write articles for DNA Money, which was a separate pull-out section of a DNA newspaper, it was a separate section when it was launched. We basically used to give out outlook for currencies, commodities, etc. And this is a tip or trick that I learned to be able to get higher rates of accuracy for my readers of that column in DNA Money. I noticed that the prices in the vegetable markets, if collated and collected carefully, and the right vegetables and fruits, were an extremely accurate indicator of where the currency peg was likely to be. So we put together 16 vegetables, 6 fruits, milk, eggs, and meats, poultry products prices, and we tabulated them into an Excel sheet. And once a week, I would collect prices. Here, you have to be careful. You need to collect prices from the same vegetable market because the sample has to be data sample has to be collected from the same source. You cannot collect prices from the Kolaba vegetable market on week 1 and Dadar vegetable market on week 2 and the Borivali vegetable market on week 3. It has to be from the same place. So we would basically collect prices once a week from a vegetable market, note it down in an Excel sheet, follow this process for 4 consecutive weeks. If I found that 85 to 90% of these items, 16 green vegetables, 6 fruits, milk, eggs, and poultry meats, if 85 to 90% of these commodities were higher in price on a week-on-week basis for 4 consecutive weeks, it was an indicator that real effective inflation at the street level was rising. This would be a trigger for me to go long on the USD INR, which means I was buying the dollar and at the same time going short on the Indian rupee. Statistical traders would want to know the accuracy rate of this system of trading. If you want to try this system out, you'll be surprised at the results. I found that I was making money 6 times out of 10, which is 2/3 of the times. Now, these are odds that any trader would love to give a right arm and a leg for. This is not something that calls for rocket science. There is no secret calculation, computation, etc. This is as earthy as it gets. You can't get any more simpler. It's just a matter of being diligent and collecting data patiently on a week-on-week basis. All other factors remaining constant. If there is any outbreak of a war or coronavirus kind of an emergency, if crude oil prices were to shoot up because of some terror attack like it happened in September on the Saudi Aramco facilities, or the killing of Iranian Major General Soleimani, these are outliers that, of course, will disturb the entire equation. But if all other factors are remaining constant, and if you were to follow this system, I can tell you with a certain degree of comfort and confidence that this system has worked for me, and I continue to use it and will continue to use it till I find a better system to replace this system. If you were to basically keep your trading systems as down to earth and as earthy as they come, simplicity is the essence of beauty, and beauty in the market can only mean profits. So this system will enable you to take the money out of the other guy's pocket, through your trading terminal and put it in your pocket. Hey, I can't get this any more simpler than this. I assure you, you must give it a shot. It's not something very difficult to do. You can tell the lady of the house, or you could basically go out there on a Sunday and collect prices yourself once a week. It's a very enlightening, interesting, and extremely profitable endeavor. Before I sign off from this video, let me remind you, we are now on Telegram with the handle Equity Master Official on Telegram. Please do join us there. I keep putting my views 24/7 on Equity Master Telegram channel of Equity Master Official. In the comment section, let me know what you think about this video. Also, let me know what other videos you would want me to record in the future. Do click on like if you're watching this video on YouTube, and do share this video with your family and friends. This is Vijay Bambwani signing off for now. Do take very good care of your trades and investments. Thank you. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my free email newsletter, Fast Profits Daily, and get my free guide, How to Trade Markets Like a Pro.